today's topic is binomial expansion, where one of the numbers in the bracket is missing. If you're following through in the book at Excel Pearson UK A-Level Year 2 book, it's Chapter 4, Example 5. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's begin with taking a look at what you're asked to expand in this question. It's 1 plus kx, and the power is minus 4. As soon as you have a negative power or a fractional power, you need to be using the formula in the year 2 section. You would have covered this with whole numbers in the year 1 syllabus. That's going to be useful. That's a useful formula as well. But this is exactly the same formula that we've been using for a while. The question is A, find out the value of k, and B, find out the coefficient of the x squared term. Coefficient just means the number coming before the x bit. So the x squared term in this case, the number coming before x squared. And the extra information that you're given as part of the question is that the coefficient of the x term is 20. And that's just written as the coefficient of x is 20, is equal to 20. So the way to start this is the same way that we start all of them. We start with the formula, and the formula is you've got a fraction, then you've got n times n minus 1 on the top of the fraction, and you've got 2 factorial on the bottom. Then comes the next bit, which is the x cubed term, which is going to be a fraction to begin with 3 things on the top, n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 over 3 factorial, and that's the x cubed term. The reason I haven't written that is because in this question we only need to go up to the x squared term, so that'll be fine. So we can just leave it as that. And now let's substitute in. We are substituting in using for the x, we are using the whole thing here, which is kx. So let's substitute that in. Let's just bring this down a little bit down to here. So this expansion would work out to be firstly 1 plus and then nx, which is minus 4 times x. Here the x is the whole thing, which is kx, plus. Okay, you could probably take a minute to try the next term, the x squared term. First you've got the fraction. So at the top of the fraction you've got minus 4 times minus 5.